Hi everyone. This is the first of my 5 applications that I'd like to share that I found while searching. This one is called Recap. If you're familiar with Flipgrid, you might think that the interface looks fairly similar. It actually functions quite a bit like Flipgrid, except it runs at a little bit higher level. Flipgrid is targeted, it feels like, mostly for a younger audience. This has a little higher level of sophistication, so students are able to experience a sequential process of going through questions that are posted by the teacher, maybe videos, and upon doing that, they engage and can post either written responses or video responses to the prompts that have been laid. So you can see once you're in the profile, you can add a queue, which allows you to post a question and to say what the topic is. I have a couple of things here that I've already posted. The area of an irregular polygon. So it allows you to do a sequence of questions that students can reply to. A couple of things that are nice about the application is it allows you to do a prompt in Google Classroom. So you can set up the prompt through Google Classroom, where students are able to sign in using a PIN. You can also use, through the application, look at various recap journeys that other people have already posted. So, for example, in my area, I'm interested in math, and I can focus on a certain area that allows me to students to go through a process that's already been set up. So we have this question, and students can follow this. They can look at the video, they can see a teacher video, whichever it is. My biggest goal in this is to increase student communication around mathematics with one another, because it's actually through the communication that they demonstrate their proficiency. It's very much intended towards my high school audience. If I said there were 2 standards that this was targeted for, they both come out of the ISTE 5 standards. Personalize a learning experience to foster independent learning, and use creative, innovative digital technology to engage student learning. I think this might be an excellent free app that's out there.